Have you seen this video? Or one of these images? And said, damn, I kinda want a PC now. At this point you have two options. Either build one yourself or buy a PC that's already built. Here are some pros and cons of buying your PC and building one. Now, with that out of the way, if you're going to build your PC, first you need to consider you understand your needs in relation to the components you can afford to buy. Choose a budget. Components can have different prices according to the quality. If you're just going to use the PC for work or school, you're better off with a pre-built PC because you will save more money. Once you set up your budget, you'll be asking, what components do I need and what place do you recommend me to buy them? The components that you will need are the following. First is the CPU, that is basically the brain of the computer. In second, there's the motherboard, provides the connectivity between hardware and the components of your computer. In third place, the GPU is basically how the graphics are going to look. In fourth place is the RAM, that is considered the third most important component for gaming performance. It's essentially your PC's short-term memory. But if you put more than you actually need, you're just wasting money. In fifth place is the storage. It's pretty self-explanatory. In sixth place we have the power supply unit. It's the component responsible for powering your PC. Make sure you go with a reputable manufacturer. Off-brand manufacturers will often sell poor quality PCUs. Sure, they may come at a great price, but it isn't worth putting the rest of your system at risk. Stick with trustworthy brands such as Corsair, EVGA, and Seasonic. In seventh place we have the PC case. You can't build your PC without it. At last, but not least, the fans and liquid coolers. I'm not talking about the fans with an obsessive compulsive disorder and need to stalk a celebrity. I'm talking about these fans. These are used to help cool down the CPU and make the PC look like a rainbow. But if you put too much, it's going to sound like a plane. I'll show you how it works. Your CPU is here. When the CPU gets hot, the performance of the PC drops. These fans serve to draw cold air into the interior and cool down the CPU. These fans serve, you've guessed it, to draw the hot air inside. There has to be the same amount of cold air and hot air inside the PC case. The liquid coolers is basically the same but harder to sustain, but also works better and quieter. I recommend Cyberpuerta. It's a great website and sometimes there are discounts in important components. And where to know how many hertz your GPU needs to be to power your whole computer, I recommend Power Supply Calculator. It's pretty simple, just put the components you're going to use and click on calculate, and that'll be it. And now we're going to talk about the levels of PCs.
Wow, it's just like real life, man. What the?
The low-level PC will allow you to play certain games in low settings, but won't be enough to build a PC that's suitable for playing AAA games or high-definition games. This is fine if you're looking to build a PC specifically for playing older titles, but you will need to remember that building a low-level gaming PC is going to severely limit the choice of the games you can play as well as the quality of the games themselves. At the end of the video I will leave a link to see the best PC build or pre-build according to your budget.
Wow, it's just like real life, man.
The mid-level PC has higher graphics settings of 1080p within this price range, as well as higher FPS counts of around 144 plus. You can play modern titles and enter the world of VR.
Wow. It's just like real life, man.
Within a budget of $8,000 and $1,000, you're going to be able to build a super powerful PC that's capable of more than simple gaming. If you put $1,000 plus, you will be able to build a PC that's all above performance, as well as giving you the ability to play games with high definition 4K graphics. Heavier workloads, tasks such as streaming and video rendering will be handling with ease. So, as you can see, the minimum budget you'll need to build your own gaming PC is $300. This will give you an entry-level PC though, so if you're looking to play modern games or anything with 4K performance, you'll need to put aside a lot more money. Once you have finished building your PC, or it hasn't been destroyed or trapped in the Suez Canal, once your PC is connected to the outlet, you will be wondering, where can I put my PC? If you want to assert your dominance every time somebody enters your room, you can put it on the desk. Warning, if you get mad when you lose, don't put it in there, or something like this could happen.
Oh, that was it. Let's go! Holy shit, about fucking time, bro. Oh no, bro. Are you kidding me? Oh my god, no.
For safety, you can be a normal person, put it on the ground. Now, the reason you built a gaming PC in the first place is to play games, obviously. I'm going to show you how to download Steam. First, you open Google Chrome and search Steam. Once you're inside, you want to click Download Steam. Once Steam is downloaded, a shortcut will appear in your desktop. Click the shortcut and create an account if you don't have, and if you have, sign in with your account. Once you have signed in or created an account, you can download all the games that are in the store. There are more stores and you have to do the same process. I'm going to show you all the stores I know with the games that have succeeded in that store. And that's the end of my project. Roll credits.